Hello, beautiful people. It's Nathan Malopa again here. Now, I've got good news for today. As you know, only 4 days left until the special ends. I want you to understand something, guys. When you are in a position where you can help someone, that is where you get a fulfilling life. A fulfilling life is when now you are able to go beyond your life and help other people. In this case, my life is fulfilled because I can help another person put a bread on their table so that the family is fed, so that their kids can go to the best schools, so that they can afford what they can't afford with their regular jobs. Okay, so yeah, guys, only 4 days left until the special runs out. Take advantage of this opportunity because it only comes once in a year. So it's a 7 day special that comes once in a year. So it's only one time in a year. There is no exception, guys. So yeah, after the 24th of October, the special is gone, guys. Even if you come on the 25th, you come with your excuses. I will not be tolerating those excuses because I've given you enough time. 7 days is enough time. Even if you are getting paid on the 25th, 26th, 27th, 30th, you can still take advantage of this special. How do you do it? You reserve the price. You do what? You reserve the price. Remember, reserving the price with a minimum of 500 rands, which is about $35 US, right? You reserve the price so that when you get paid, then you can pay the remaining and then get your robot and start making money. That's how it goes, guys. I am so happy because this is a position now where I go beyond helping myself, but also help other people. You know, I've made a lot of money, guys. You guys have seen every week. To me, it's a blue week. So yeah, I guess that's how it is. Life is good, guys. Let's keep enjoying. Let's keep living. Let's keep growing financially and also in life. Cheers and take care. Remember, guys, if you want to contact me, the email address is down below, and also the phone number for WhatsApp is down below, and also my Instagram handle is down below. So 3 options to contact me: email, WhatsApp, or Instagram. So if you can't find me on one of those 3, if you can't find me on that one, try the other one. Try the other one. There is no way you will find me. That's how it goes, guys. Okay, guys, let's keep growing. Let's keep making money. And cheers. Meet you on the other side.